Hey guys, welcome back to Bright Night Tech. My name is Berto and today we are looking at the FIFINE X3 wireless headphones. We're going to start with an unboxing and then take a look at what it can do. So let's get started. Alright, here is the box. Awesome box. I always love how FIFINE does their designs. Always looks great. Let's look at the side here. Some information. And some information there. If you want to pause it and take a look, you definitely can. Otherwise, we are going to go over some of this stuff in just a little bit. So let's go ahead and open this guy up. All right, just like this. Okay, and first of all, we always get the user guide. Let's go ahead and open this up. Again, if you want to pause it, take a look. You definitely can. Gives you a bunch of the info, connecting, and then how the tapping works, because there is a touch component that you can do on the actual headphone itself for different functions. You can even use it for phone calls if you want. But we are going to go over mostly everything there. All right, let's go ahead and take out the actual headphones. Alright, look great. They are nice and light. They don't feel bulky or heavy. Nice material. Ooh, this is going to be satisfying. Beautiful. Clean. Alright. Looks like it folds a little bit. I really like these because, oh, there are the buttons right there. We will go over some of this stuff in a bit. I've never had noise canceling headphones before, which these do have, and I'm excited. Very lightweight. Let's see, what kind of cables does it come with? Oh, an aux cable. Oh, that's right. So one thing that I really like about these is that you can use them wirelessly or you can plug them in, which is, you get both options, which is awesome. USB-C for charging, and here is the microphone. Very cool, nice and sturdy. It's small. You just plug it in right here and you're good to go, just like that. All right, we have power button right there, like that. You could also use it to pause and play. There's the volume button, and that's active noise cancelling, which, you push it, turns it on, turns it off, and it also has passive mode, which is pretty cool. Also has on the right side, if you tap, gives you different function. It does have a game mode, so you have to triple tap on the side there. We'll get to that in a second. They are adjustable. Which actually took me a second to figure out because I put them on my head and they just fit. And then I'm like, wait a minute, how is it going to fit somebody else? And then I figured that out. They fold, so you can fold them like that if you're going to put them away or travel with them. They go forward like this. I don't even know if this is the way you're supposed to do it, but you have that option. Otherwise, yeah, look at that. All right, so some of the features of these headphones is that charging time is about 2.5 hours from 0 to 100. Playback music time is about 33 hours, and that's with the volume all the way up. And standby, just leaving it on, just kind of sitting there, it's going to be 65 hours. You want to know where can you get this and how much is it? You can pick this up on Amazon right now for $39.99. That is a fantastic price, especially if this is your first time using wireless headphones and you just want to try something out. They connect pretty quickly. Like I said, game mode, long battery life, all that kind of stuff. But yeah, go ahead and check this out, and I highly recommend it. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, go ahead and put in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button for notifications, and we will see you next time.